Does a judge weigh the statement of a victim in a greater sense than other statements?
You would hope that the judge is weighing all statements and placing the appropriate amount of gravitas or weight on those statements based upon credibility, the evidence, and in the context of the charges, as well as the person he's potentially being sentenced. So I think her words, certainly carry a lot of weight. She was essentially the government star witness and testified in front of the judge, so he's able to judge her and her words and on his own basis, from having watched her testify on the stand and go through, I believe it was 4 days of testimony and being cross-examined too. So I hear her words. It's clear those are very strong words, a lot of passion, a lot of pain in those words. And Sean Combs has acknowledged, what his conduct may have caused for her and paid for it with now a conviction, as well as in a civil case, a lot of money. Obviously, given the judge's comments and remarks earlier, that's not enough to foot the bill. So there appears that there's going to be some more additional prison time that Sean Combs is going to owe to society before he can get on with his life.
Dante, I know we have to sign you off in a little bit, so I want to ask you one more question. This is a super chat question from Bravado Agency. Thank you so much, Bravado Agency. Really, really appreciate it. This is your second super chat question, I believe. Many celebrity cases, Adanté, many celebrity cases in recent years, Weinstein, Cosby, R. Kelly. Is it important to judges to handle these more carefully, or is it just another case? That's a good question.
Well, justice, they say Lady Justice is supposed to be blind. But if you've gone through the criminal justice system or been a part in any way, that's far from the truth. So I think celebrities' cases do get some special handling in some ways that are positive and some ways that are negative. Positive in the sense that judges know that they're well-heeled. They have attorneys who are looking at everything like a hawk and ready to appeal or challenge any decision that they think is unfair or not based in the law as they see it. The same side, on the flip side, I should say, judges are where the public is looking. And so if a judge is to give a slap on the wrist to a celebrity, there could be a lot more social criticism and critique about the judge's decision. And so the judge is in a position where he knows the public is looking, and he's also in a position where he knows the defense attorneys are also looking. So I think celebrity cases on balance do get some special consideration. At the same time, when you run afoul of the law in this way, and there is a heightened media attention around the case, puts the judge in a position where they don't have as much wiggle room as they otherwise might have in other people's cases.
Adanté Pointer, thank you so much for coming on. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Guys, take well.
All right. So Rich, let me go to you on something here. We're getting up